Half-life Part 2. In the previous tutorial, we were seeing a simulation for the isotope protactinium-234. We reached the point where the number of atoms now is approximately 1,000, meaning we have 25% atoms remaining and 75% of atoms decayed. At T equals 13 hours, this time represents 2-time half-life. And as we move on, we can see that it's still decaying until we get the number of atoms now equals to 500, which is m over 8 at T equals 19.8 hours. This time corresponds to half-life times 3. Now let's see another isotope, uranium-240. At T 0 minutes, the number of atoms at start is 2000. So let's play the simulation to see how the number is decreasing after 5 hours. So as you can see, after 5 hours, the number of atoms is 1500, approximately. Now moving forward until we reach half the amount of atoms at the beginning, which is 1000. So it took 13.6 hours, which is the half-life of uranium-240, since this is the time it took to reach half the amount of atoms compared to the beginning. If we continue, the number of atoms will keep on decreasing until we reach 5% of the atoms remaining, which is m over 4. This is equals to 500, approximately. So we can say that the number of atoms is now 500 after 1.1 days, which corresponds to half-life times 2. And this is the time it took to decay 75% of atoms.